Well, today is March 21st, 2026, the first day of spring, and here's what it looks like in New Hampshire. Well, some of the snow is melting, and it looks like all of it is off the garden beds, which is good news because I want to plant the seedlings this week, and then eventually, probably in Memorial Day, June, put them out there. And the chairs and the outdoor fire pit are visible, as well as the stones. And it's a really pretty day in terms of the sun here today. And we still have our flag up. But as you can see, there's visible ground. Hooray! But for some reason, I don't think it's going to be lasting too long. I'm supposed to get some weather this evening into tomorrow. So this is just a real short clip of the first day of spring in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. Oh, hello. Hello. Yes, I'm glad that the ground you could see at least. And tonight we'll do some spare ribs and pork loin. I'm going to do it on the grill. And I just filled up all my 20-pound tanks. And that's about it. Until tomorrow, God bless.